What's up, guys? I made over today around $4,000. Took two trades in the open, and it was in the first 5 minutes. The first trade I took was Costco, and the second trade was UPST. Both trades were winners, and I'm gonna explain why I took those trades. The first trade I took was Costco, as you guys can see here, and it's a daily chart. Costco was trading in this zone here, and it couldn't break the $500, which is the psychological level. And it had good volume too at the same time. So today I was in the pre-market, I was looking for the break of $500. So before every trade I take, I normally write down all my game plan in my OneNote app, and where today I had like 4 stocks in my watch list: Tesla, SPY, Costco, and UPST. As I mentioned, Costco was reaching a very psychological level, which was $500. That was my game plan. So here's my live trading recording session for the Costco trade. Right in the open, I saw the 497 level holding very strong. This gave me really a good confirmation that we might see the break of $500. Also at the same time, as you guys can see here, the $500 level on the level 2 on the Upsc had a big size. So I'm gonna play the recording now. As you guys can see, I'm on the $500 call, same day expiry. And I'm looking at the levels right now, focused, and once it approaches the 499 level, I get in with 100 contracts. My average fill price was 3.23, and now right now at this point, I want to see the 499 on the level 2 on the bid holding. If it doesn't hold that level, I'm gonna get out with a loss. Obviously, my loss for this was around like $1,500. Once it breaks the $500 level, my premium jumped from 325 to 355, and right here at this point, my game plan was to sell if I don't see the 500.50 at the bid holding. So I'm still like looking at level 2 right now. So once it fails to hold the $500.50 at the bid, I try to scalp 50 of my contracts. I get in with a $40 profit per each contract, and I'm still holding 50 more contracts at the same time. But right now I'm see like the bid is not stepping up, so I get out 30 more and I have 20 more remaining. And now my goal is just to see if 500 at the bid doesn't hold, I'm gonna get out my remaining contracts. I'm still holding 20 more contracts, but when I saw the level 2 not stepping up, I get 10 out at 3.77 and I have 10 more contracts remaining, and I'll probably get out in the next few seconds. Yeah, I get out at 3.36 because I see that as 500 didn't hold on the level 2, I get out. That was my first trade. Good trade. This trade I took at 931 and I got at 932. So here's my trade recap for my Costco trade. I invested $32,250 to make around $4,000, which is not the best risk-reward ratio, but my main reason for this trade was a quick scalp, and I entered with 100 contracts, and the trade went in my favor. The second and the last trade I took for the day was UPST. The reason I traded this stock was UPST had a gap down. It gapped down from $32 to $26. The reason it gapped down was because it got a revenue guidance. Their revenue fell below their estimate. That was the main reason. And also, we had some key levels. So we can see here, $25 mark was their IPO low. I was hoping the break of pre-market, which was $26. If it breaks $26, it might reach its IPO low, and it can go more down because when a stock reaches its IPO high or low, a stock can make like newer highs, newer lows. So that was the main reason I took the trade. Now after the live trading recording screen, game plan was the break of 26.44, which was the pre-market low. And as you guys can see on the level 2, we have a lot of big buyers on the bid size. And my intention was to enter if 26.50 breaks. And as you guys can see here, once it breaks the 26.50, I'm gonna enter with 100 contracts. My average price was 1.03. Once this level broke, I was hoping to see that that $26 level approaches on the level 2. It reaches around 26.15, and then one point it goes to 26. It goes to around $26, and right here at this point on the level 2 we can see big buyers. There's around 21,000 big buyers on the level 2 at $26. So I was hoping if this level breaks down, then we might see 25, 50, and then $25. So I'm just focused on the level 2 right now, and on the time and sales we see 26.05 printing. So at this point, I'm really hoping that $26 breaks. If it breaks, I might take my profit, scalp like 20-30 contracts, capture the profit, and yeah, that was the goal. But as soon as it raises 26.03, it's still like, it's not dipping down. So I'm just still waiting to see if 26 level breaks. We have a lot of big buyers on the $26 level, a lot of big buyers. So I'm still giving it some time to see if it breaks the $26. If not, I'm gonna get out with a quick profit. See here, $26 was approaching at the level 2, and also the time and sells, 26 is printing, but look at the buyers over here. Look at the big buyers on the level 2. So that's why level 2 is so important when you trade. Right here at this point, I wanted to add size because it's giving me confirmation that level 2, like 26 might break, and we can see newer lows, but I didn't add because I didn't like the way the stock was trading sideways, so I didn't add size. But once it didn't break the $26 level, my intention was, okay, it's time to get out of the trade because I don't think $26 is gonna break. At this point, I'm still holding all my positions, 100 contracts. So I told myself if it breaks 26.20, I'm gonna get out with all my contracts, and yeah, and I got out with my average field price for this trade was 1.07. So here's my trade recap for UPST, made around $285. I risked around $775 to make $285, which isn't the best trade risk real ratio, but it was a quick scalp, so it was a overall okay trade. But yeah, that was the 2 trades I took. So I ended the day with almost $4,000. Today I took 2 trades, both are winners, and it was a quick scalp for both the trades. Both trades were under a minute. Yeah, so if you guys like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. I'm gonna do more of the trading recap videos. See you in the next one.